Let's take a brief look at my Pride horizontal template. This template has a variety of different ways you can modify it. It's easy to insert your own subjects. So for example, I have these sample subjects here. I can shut that off, grab some new sample subjects, and drag and drop them into the scene, and then place them where I think they fit. Something like that looks awesome. I can keep this motto, Pride in Every Play, which I think is really cool. Otherwise, you can completely change that. So you can put a different motto in, or you can just enter the team name and sport. There's an in-depth tutorial included with the instant download that'll help give you tips and tricks on editing this template. And then at the top here, this can change the motto if you want to. Another cool way to modify this is that I could add this school initials. So for example, this going on in the background, WHS. I can also fill in that hole as a color and do something like with a solid color in the background. I can even change the background color overall. So I love white. It looks nice and classic, but I could go, for example, with a more dramatic dark look. I could go with the team colors. So I could add a yellow and do something like that. And I can even keep that flag if I wanted to too. So all kinds of ways to make this look cool. Hope you love it.